yabo so ngasebenza
so uyenzani wena imali yaleso sikhathi leso uyasave vele
ngiyasave na ukuthi ngiyazama ukuthi okay let me build my own studio futhi yabo ngoba
abantwana ngapha nabo bafuna ukubhejwa
hayi angifuni ukuya lapho lapho hayi angifuni esinye stress leso lapho hayi la angifuni nje ukuya lapho so esinye nje stress engizosixoxa ngelinye ilanga you must stay tuned guys, you must stay tuned please
for part 2
for part 2
namhlanje ayikho ngani namhlanje nje
so okay ngasebenza ke security ngihambisa ama security ngino license kuphela yokudrive
code ban 10
code 10 with PDP yabo athi mphathi na bulletproof with the firearm usuwenze arm respond and sokukhuphula imali 8,000
but when did you train?
I didn't train.
Angeke sibize company please.
I'm not gonna mention the company yabo and I'm like what phela manje ngiyadinga umsebenzi and nine imali
double
imali phela million mina imillion mina hayi imali ngaka 8,000 ngonika ubalo imali singithi hayi no hayi batshela ukuthi but hayi no amaphoyisa ngeke aza kumisa amaphoyisa nayi bulletproof with the firearm amaphoyisa ngeke akumisa amaphoyisa awamisi imoto zama security yabo okay fine hayi nami ngithathe lo risk yabo batshele ekhaya
kodwa uyakhona usishaya isibhamu ngaleso sikhathi
no siyahlobisa nje kuphela angikwazi ukudubula mina boy I'm putting my life in danger yabo give security
and ayikho nengqondo ethi okay mangi off it ngihambe ngiyoma shooting range and then
no everything is easy yabo shuthi ke kube khona i fight between I manager ne boss manager sithi funa ama site ayo back so ubenze example nami so ngiyadriver ngamisa amaphoyisa dot firearm license dololo awuvula iboot sibone and nama fire amaningi vula iboot ibhame ngaka unayi permit le bham no asakubopha ndo yo ngakhala I had to call my parents sengiboshiwe mfana ngiboshiwe
so nesikhathi singakanani usebenzela le company
mhlambe like few months yabona so ayingakhala alale jail like 2 days ngalala ngisasa
kunjani ngesikhathi seyiseleni Nkosi yami
yo
tell me about it
bangithengile KFC uma abona ngithengile bawuthatha KFC yami bayithatha KFC yami
umhleveni amaphoyisa ora umhleveni
phakathi siboshe nawo
and nawe fanele uzincengezele isafety
bengizonze njani ngingani badala ngazongikwazi yo
ngapha bafuna ugwayi
ngiqunqile lapho ngaphuma ke ngebail bangikhipha ngebail uthema bengikhipha ngebail ngayeka ke emsebenzini yabo
okay so ukuhamba ama courts and all that
ngihamba ama courts and then basebengitshela ukuthi ungaphumi eKZN lapho
high risk
izwake lapho I dropped the song called Relax Amshana ngithi
yes
sengiyabizwa manje eGoli angisakwazi ukuperform eGoli bathi ngingaphumi eprovince icourt nje ethi ngingaphumi yo kawakhuluma but I took that risk ngahamba ngathi mina hayi phela akuyonela mephutha inkampani it's not me so I took that risk ngeze eGoli nakhona futhi nje kwangahlangana uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo yabo nje phela nami ngiyathandaza nami yabo just got a call bathiwa Luyanda sesiyaqasha esibhedlela sahulumeni
Angina criminal record. Oh,
look at God. And then I was like, kanjani mangiye police station but I know ama fingerprints ami konke kusa right.
Oh, thank God.
Kathiwa siyaqasha sibhedlela wathi sengiyasebenza manje.
Okay.
So singaqala singabona imali ke manje.
Imali engcono kunala million.
That's when
only 5 million.
That's when my life changed. That's when my life changed. Bona ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngesimanga singakani yabo. So mangifika nakhona emsebenzini bengikade ngisebenza eLinen.
Okay.
Swashi Linen eGoli yabo. Ngihlalanga like 4 months working day. Ngoba ngiyathandeka ngulomfana oyena ohlonipha nabaphathi bami ngiyabahlonipha.
Angithi bathi love loves love.
Yes. Abaphathi bami bethi no. Una license ithi yes. Na PDP ithi yes. Ayike cela ukufaka transport
ilineni manje
no sengitransporta medication transporta odokotela onesi obani and isalary senkulu
say 5 million siphumile manje 1 million
ngafuma ngajabula ngajabula ngathenga nemoto yami sengihlala endlini yami manje
ne apartment
yabo I got my own apartment so izinto like sekuyalunga yabo uNkulunkulu siyayisula inyembezi zakho yabo so sengiyasebenza ke manje so I can manage my music ke manje le mali yokuvula icapha
and bayasho bathi you need to spend money to make money
yes like you can't start a business without a capital
of course
true so idana ke sengiyaphusha ke manje ke ngithi manje sengiyakwazi ukuyi-manager
yeah nasendlini ubafuna ukuthi namhlanje uthi ningapheki ke namhlanje
ngiyakwazi ukufika
uzothuma iskuta
yabona nasengiyafika nasendlini into ezimnandi ezimnandi yabona so yeah nje impilo yami yashintsha so that's when ke sing end up recognize i-Resonation record
guys we at the Resonation nisibona silana nje yeah I understand no so now before we get there are you still working kulo msebenzi wakho loyo
yes I'm still
kwenzekile ukuthi uma uza eGoli ubanje inkunzi tell me about that were you meeting i-Resonation when that happened and when was that and how was the whole incident for wena
Okay. Last year, okay, fine. Bilami simnandi, kulungu yabo nje sifika kamnandi yabo. Ngamana ngaba kwi accident.
Okay.
I was driving and then apparently ngamana ngaquleka.
Why you driving?
Mangiphaphama, I'm driving motor semsebenzini. Mangiphaphama sengiphaphama sesibhedlela. And I'm like kwenzakalini kathiwa no umane wagula yabona so
driver uwedwa njengoba
ngidriver ngihamba nomunye sister
at least
yabona wathiwa no Luyanda hayi umane waquleka udriver so
awulimelanga
kodwa asilimalanga but imoto yaphela so
are you for it
that was last year
like by writer off nina naphuma nje
nina saphuma si right
uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo
so now amanye ama challenges engaba nawo so okay fine ke ngaphuma esibhedlela okay na i-Resonation bafuna ukungihlangana sibe ne meeting baseGoli hayi jabule ukuthi hayi no
sengiyarecognize
yabona and ngiyayifuna i-label ngiyafuna ukusayina yabona
but you don't want to go through the abanye abantu esihlala sizwa ama experiences wabo
no
abantu bayaqolwa yonke lento lena
mina nginalokuthi mina I will do ama mistakes laba ababonile ukuthi no la ngithi phela in order for you to sign you need to get a lawyer yabo in order for you to sign kumele ifundwe kahle yonke into ungamanage siyasayina wena
and izinto esizifundayo thanks to social media because abantu bakudala they didn't get such opportunities of ukuthi bafunde izinto